Blynk dashboards give you full control over what device data is shown and how it's selected. You can filter at 3 levels. Let's walk through them. Start by selecting which devices your dashboard should include. Pick specific templates or organizations, for example, only heaters or only devices from your main site. Be careful, changing this affects all widgets on the dashboard. Each widget starts with all devices from your dashboard's data source, but you can narrow it down even further. Choose a Save segment, apply filters, or manually select up to 50 devices. Once a dashboard is live, users can apply dynamic filters in view mode. Filter by organization, template, or device just for your session. It won't affect anyone else. 3 layers of filtering, 1 clear dashboard.